Hey guys, it's Mason over here at MarineMax Houston. Today we're on a 2026 Grady White 231 Coastal Explorer. Let me tell you about it. We're going to work our way stern to bow. First, here underneath the seating, you're going to have storage. Back over here, you're going to have more storage. Underneath here, if you want to come take a look, you got your own tackle box area for all your fishing equipment. Alrighty guys, moving towards the helm, you're going to have a live well here. Then you're going to have storage for your reels on either side. Here at the helm, you're going to have your adjustable steering wheel, your Fusion stereo set, along with your Yamaha control center. Moving in towards the head, you're going to have a porta potty toilet, a light, as well as a charging port and a window so you never miss the action. Alrighty guys, moving towards the bow, you're going to have another fishing well or ice chest. It is insulated, so you can use it as either. Then coming over here, you're going to have electronically raised and lowering seats. Alrighty guys, back to the stern. You're gonna find your battery switch down here, as well as your freshwater access. And this Grady White's gonna be powered by a 300 horsepower V6 Mercury engine. If this boat interests you or anything else in our inventory, come over to MarineMax Houston and ask for Mason and we'll get you on the water.